Hello everyone, this is Zarko, and in this video we're going to be talking about solving any MySQL connection issues on Windows. So for example, let's say you open up the Command Line Client for MySQL, so click on the Windows Start menu button, search for Command Line Client. As you see me type it here, click on the app. It would ask you for your root password here, so you can type it. Then when you press enter, you get this problem of it just disappearing basically. Then if you're using MySQL Workbench, again, start button, search for Workbench, click on that app to start it. If you don't have this installed, you can check my other video in the description of this YouTube video, where you can learn how to install MySQL Workbench as well. Anyways, if you try to connect to your local instance of the MySQL database from here and it's not making the connection, you would see no connection established and it says could not connect, server may not be running. So there's a problem here. Typically how you can solve this is, I'll just quit from Workbench right now. Typically how you can solve this is you can click on the Windows Start button again. In the search box, type in services and then click the services system option here. And then in this menu that it shows up here in the list, scroll down until you find MySQL 8.4 in my case, or whatever version you have installed, but it should say MySQL to begin with. And I found it here. So it's alphabetical. You can spot it there. And then you can start it from here. Or it's better to actually right-click on it with your mouse and then choose Properties. And here, the first thing that you want to set is the startup type. So it should be automatic. It should not be manual, and it should not be disabled as well. We want to have it set to automatic, so we're sure that the MySQL local server is being started automatically every time. So the next thing you want to check is the service status. If it says stopped, you need to click this start button here and wait for it to start up. And then if you check service status again, it should say running. So again, the startup type should be automatic here. The service status should say running. And if that's the case, you can click OK from here. Then you can exit out of this services interface. And then let's try again, Windows Start menu here. Type in Command Line Client for MySQL, find that app, click on it. And now let's maximize this. Type in your MySQL root password and we see it connects. So that's basically it. The service was not running for MySQL and now it's running and it should be working. And yeah, we're getting results back. So it means it's working. We can close it and then we can also start the Workbench. So Windows Start menu, search for MySQL Workbench, find the app, start it here, and then double click on the or just single click apparently on the local instance. And now we can see it's actually starting and the connection is established. So everything is working fine and we have solved the issue. So that's great. Again, if you need any help installing MySQL on Windows, check out my full tutorial on how to do that. I'll share it in the description of this video. So make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, if you found this useful, if it maybe solved your issue, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, maybe share the video if someone has a similar issue. And yeah, thank you again for watching. All your support helps me create more videos. So thanks everyone again, and I'll see you in the next video.